In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Modal Popup on Card. We'll build a simple modal using a container, give it a smooth animation, add your content, and then preview it. First, open your Card dashboard and open the page you want to edit so you're inside the builder. Once you're there, look for the Add button, the small plus icon on the left panel. Click it to insert a new element and choose Container. This container will act as the modal box. Place it where you want it to appear, typically centered, and adjust its size so it feels comfortable on both desktop and mobile. A medium width with generous padding usually works well for readability. With the container selected, open the animation controls using the play icon. In the animation panel, choose how the modal should appear. Fade is a great, subtle choice, but you can also experiment with slide-ins if you want more movement. Pick the direction or style you like, then fine-tune the options. Adjust duration for speed, delay if you want a brief pause before it shows, and easing for a natural feel. Shorter durations feel snappy, slightly longer ones feel more elegant. When you're satisfied, click Done to save those animation settings. Click the Add button again to add whatever you want inside or alongside the modal. This could be a headline, some text, an image, or a button. Keep the content concise and scannable. If you're using a darker container background, make sure your text color has strong contrast for accessibility. After you've added your elements, click Done. Then open your container again to review how everything sits together. Use the preview to test the animation and overall look. If the motion feels too sudden, increase the duration slightly or add a small delay. If it feels sluggish, reduce the duration. Check spacing, alignment, and readability on both desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with the flow and the animation, you've got a clean, effective modal ready to go.